Hello guys, we're back in the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys another way to make money because, well, I mean, we only have 14 minutes to do it, so we better get on it. So, I'll show you guys. Let's not do the intro because I want to get this video over fast, that way because I already did this and I made it, plus my minions stuff, I made $144,000 off one sale at the bazaar. So this will not work with hardcore or any of that because it requires the bazaar. So you have to, and this also has to be during a certain time. It has to be during the New Year celebration, so you can go to the Jury's Island. It will open your skyblock menu, and it will be, this will not be here if it's not there. Okay, this will not be here if it's not the event, so I want you to click on that. And no, I'm not going to show you guys where all the presents are, but you go around looking, oh my god, look for presents, because those sell for a lot. That's how I got that. And I bought an aspect of the end with it, so yeah. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to tell you guys, that is how you do it, and that's how I just made $144,000. But if you also want to make an extra cash, combined it with your minion stuff. Okay, so you want to go. Once you do all of it, you don't have to do all of it, obviously. Go back to your island and get everything from your minions. And then turn all the materials that you got to enchanted from your minions. And then go and sell the presents and all their minion drops to the bazaar. And boom, you guys got a lot of money. And you guys will be able to do this. Let's see. Once every 5 days. So, yeah. And there you guys go. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Make sure to share the video because, well, eventually I'll actually reveal my other channel, which is my other channel that I haven't been able to upload on. So, I'm just gonna, let you guys know what it is, and maybe I'll start posting again, so who knows. See you guys later. Bye.